Bonjour. What's more essential? A French tutor or teacher versus your own practice? Your practice is more essential. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regular practice leads to mastery. Your teacher teaches you the basic. It's time for you to put into practice what she has taught you. How do you practice it? For instance, your French tutor might have taught you the topic greetings on the word bonjour. Go back to the word, make a research on when to use it, learn how to pronounce the word, and use it when you see your colleague, friends, your boss, your parents, anyone. Note, please, this applies to other languages and studies. Au revoir.